If you own a PS5 or Xbox Series X but are still using a standard TV, you might not be seeing the true potential of your console. Modern gaming TVs now support refresh rates up to 144 Hz or even 288 Hz, ultra-low input lag, and incredible picture quality. So in this video, we'll cover the top 5 best gaming TVs you should consider in 2026. Quick heads up though, prices can change anytime because of sales, promotions, or discounts. So if one of these TVs catches your attention, make sure to check the link in the description or the YouTube shopping section to see the latest price. TCL-QM6K. If you're hunting for a mini LED gaming TV that gives you a lot without draining your wallet, the TCL-QM6K is easily one of the most interesting options right now. This model shows up on a lot of tech reviewers' recommendation lists, and it's easy to see why. It delivers a strong mix of gaming performance, solid picture quality, and a price that still feels pretty reasonable compared to many other mini LED TVs. Size choices are also generous. The series starts at 55 inches and goes all the way up to a massive 98-inch version. Whether you're setting it up in a living room or building a full home theater, there's likely a size that fits your space. The TV keeps things clean with a slim body and thin bezels around the display. That thin frame really helps the screen feel more immersive, especially when you're playing games or watching movies. The stand is sturdy too, and there's built-in cable management to keep everything tidy. Inside, TCL uses its Halo control system to reduce blooming, which is something mini LED panels sometimes struggle with. The AI-PQ Pro processor also works in the background, using AI to adjust color, contrast, motion, and upscaling in real time. The QD Mini LED panel delivers rich color and strong contrast with up to 500 local dimming zones. Gaming performance is also impressive with a 144 Hz refresh rate and support for VRR, ALLM, and FreeSync Premium Pro. For the price, it's honestly a very strong value. HISENSE U65QF. Next up, we have another brand that has been making serious moves in the mini LED space lately, and that's HISENSE. One of their most competitive models right now is the U65QF. This TV is built for people who want a big, immersive screen experience. It works great for watching sports, action movies, and of course, fast-paced games. The design is simple but modern. You get slim bezels, a sturdy build, and a clean-looking stand that fits nicely in both living rooms and gaming setups. HISENSE also gives you a lot of size options. The lineup starts at 55 inches and stretches all the way up to a huge 100-inch model. If you've ever wanted that home theater feeling without leaving the house, this TV definitely gets you close. The real highlight here is the mini LED backlight system with up to 600 local dimming zones. That helps the TV deliver stronger contrast, brighter highlights, and deeper shadows during HDR scenes. The panel itself is a 4K QLED display capable of showing over 1 billion colors. With peak brightness reaching around 1000 nits, it also performs well in bright rooms where some TVs struggle. Gaming feels smooth thanks to the 144 Hz refresh rate and support for VRR and AMD FreeSync Premium. It also includes HDMI 2.1 and Wi-Fi 6 for fast connectivity. Overall, this is one of the most competitive mini LED TVs you can get in this price range. Samsung S95F. Once you step into the premium category, one TV that immediately grabs attention is the S95F. It's available in several screen sizes, ranging from 55 inches up to 83 inches. Samsung is known for pushing display technology forward, and this model continues that trend with one of their latest OLED panels. The first thing you notice is how thin the TV looks. It has a sleek, minimal appearance that makes it feel more like part of the room's design than just another screen on the wall. But the real magic happens when the display turns on. Because this is an OLED panel, every pixel produces its own light. That means you get incredibly deep blacks and extremely high contrast, which makes movies and games look stunning. Samsung also packs the TV with the NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor. This chip constantly analyzes what you're watching and improves the picture in real time. It sharpens details, improves colors, and even makes lower resolution content look better on a 4K screen. Motion also looks incredibly smooth. The TV can handle refresh rates up to 165 Hz with VRR, which is great news for PC gamers and next-gen console players. Samsung also added anti-glare technology to help reduce reflections, which makes a noticeable difference if your room has lots of lights or windows. Put everything together, and the S95F ends up being a seriously impressive premium OLED option. LG C5. If you ask a lot of gamers or tech reviewers about their favorite gaming TVs, the LG C series almost always comes up. It's been one of the most reliable choices for years, and the LG C5 continues that reputation. This TV uses LG's OLED Evo panel, which produces incredible picture quality thanks to over 8 million self-lit pixels. That means perfect blacks, very strong contrast, and sharp image detail that makes both movies and games look fantastic. The design is also very clean and modern. The bezels are extremely thin, so when you're watching something, the screen almost feels like it's floating. The TV itself is also very slim, which makes it look great when mounted on a wall. Another big reason people love the C-Series is the wide range of size options. You can get it as small as 42 inches for a gaming desk setup, or go all the way up to 83 inches for a full living room experience. Inside the TV is LG's Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 8. This processor constantly adjusts picture and sound while you're watching. It also uses AI upscaling to improve lower resolution content so it still looks sharp on a 4K screen. Gaming performance is where this TV really shines. With an incredibly fast 0.1 millisecond response time and support for up to 144 Hz VRR, gameplay feels extremely smooth. Add support for G-Sync, FreeSync Premium, VRR, and ALLM, and the LG C5 easily remains one of the best gaming TVs available today. Sony BRAVIA 8.2. At the top of the list, we have the BRAVIA 8.2, a TV that focuses heavily on delivering a cinematic viewing experience while still offering excellent gaming performance. Sony uses the latest generation of QD-OLED technology here. This combines OLED's deep blacks with quantum dot color technology, which helps produce brighter highlights and more vibrant colors. The design follows Sony's one slate concept, meaning the entire front of the TV looks like one smooth sheet of glass. It gives the TV a very clean and premium appearance that blends nicely into most living rooms. Where this TV really shines is picture quality. The QD-OLED panel can reach extremely bright HDR highlights, sometimes pushing close to 1,400 nits in certain tests. That added brightness helps HDR scenes look more dynamic and realistic. Sony's XR processor also plays a big role here. It analyzes the content you're watching and adjusts contrast, color, and detail in real time, so everything looks more natural and cinematic. Audio is another unique feature. Sony uses Acoustic Surface Audio Plus, where the screen itself acts as the speaker. Because of that, dialogue sounds like it's coming directly from the characters on screen. Gaming support is also solid, with 4K at 120 Hz, VRR, and ALLM. There's even a special PlayStation 5 mode that automatically optimizes HDR settings when a PS5 is connected. It's definitely not cheap, but if you want a TV that delivers both stunning movies and great gaming performance, the Sony BRAVIA 8.2 is one of the best options available today.